of dirty. Let's see if we could take this sucker off. I'm glad I have this little tool, because if not, I probably have to get a tool for this shit. And I don't know. I mean, maybe it's like a common tool, I don't know. But I'm glad I have it. Glad it's not lost. Alright guys, so I chocked the wheels because that shit was sliding back, and I forgot that I don't like to engage the park brake because I don't know how to take it off, because it's broken. So my dad's the only one, and I don't want to call my dad just to, you know, take it off, whatever. I'll figure it out later though, but gotta lift it up. We got the right socket right there, so we're gonna take these off at the adapter right here. Take this side off first. Adapter for here. So I'm gonna put a little of this shit in there, just to hold it out more. I'll take it out here in a bit. Just a little bit, just to hold it out. See that? Now it won't go in. A little bit more, and I could take it out. Tweezers and shit later. It's not fucking hard, bro. I don't want to strip it. I really don't want to strip it. That thing was on there so freaking hard, man. Alright guys, just so you know, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing at all, dude. What the fuck am I doing here? No, I really don't actually. I'm probably gonna have to YouTube all of this shit. Look at this shit, dude. This shit is caked on. I'm probably later on gonna have to change all of this shit, because look at that, bro. Look at that. I think that's called the sway bar bushing or whatever. Look how loose that, look at that loose that shit is. Holy crap, man. This thing is horrible. I'll crack those I think they're called sway bar bushings. The sway bar bushing. And you got your tie rods or whatever. I think I'm gonna replace this ball joint too. I don't know. It's a lot of crazy shit over here. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna be taking off the brake caliper. I've never done that before in my entire life. I just watched YouTube or whatever. It says there's 2 bolts in the back, so I'm gonna find them. Okay, it's done. My bad. I really hope I don't fuck shit up. Sucker is stuck, man. I'm trying to pry it out of here. It's coming out. There you go. Come on. Okay, there you go, guys. I got it. Can y'all see? Oh shit, my bad. Can y'all see that? Look at that. I need new rotors for sure, bro. And brake pads, because holy crap, that thing's gone. Alright, bro, I didn't believe this shit, but these are rivets, so I literally had to fucking drill the motherfuckers out, bro. Look at that shit. Yeah, but it's loose now. So I'm about to take it out and put the new ball joint in. This is what they should have done, bro. So I got my new ball joint, right? Same exact shit. This one comes with screws, bro. Screws and, you know, nuts and shit. Like, that's what it should have been, dude. And I really hope that bottom isn't riveted though. Oh my god, bro. Because then I'm about to take everything with me off. But yeah, you can see all the pieces of metal and shit everywhere. All the metal, dude. I was trying to grind that shit off. See, you can see my grinder right here and shit. I was trying to grind it off, man, but it was just kind of like melting onto each other, so it kind of just looked like it was all flat and like had like kind of welded itself to each other. So I was like, man, fuck that shit's gonna make it even harder. So I just drilled, man. I drilled with the small drill bit, and then I drilled with the bigger drill bit and just went straight through. Hopefully everything bolts up badass, whatever. And if not, then I'm gonna have to fucking replace this whole thingamabob right here, this whole arm, control arm, whatever the hell it is. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now, man. It's a lot more work than I thought. I'm glad I didn't hire nobody though, because then we'll have to pay for labor and shit, right? But I mean, I really just wanted the experience, so I'm getting experience, all right. Hard as fuck, but not hard as fuck, but that part was kind of hard. So yeah, it won't be so hard to take off the new ball joints whenever I need to replace them later on down the line. So that's that. All right, guys, I'm gonna take that shit off, and I'm gonna start taking the rest off, and then I'm gonna show y'all on the other side what I'm doing. All right. My gosh, she is beautiful, bro. Oh yes. And guess what? It's got bolts and nuts. Damn it, GMC. Should have done that in the beginning, man. Alright, guys, so I got a drill right here in the damn top, man. Alright, guys, got the new ball joint in there. It's nice and pretty. Just gonna bolt these on my two ratchets somewhere around here. Where them ratchet assholes? Oh, they're there. Okay, so my ratchets are there. I'm just gonna ratchet this up, and that's good, and I'm gonna call it a day.